Hello my friends, I have another template for you for Fusion Davinci Resolve. This time will be custom shapes again, but this time shapes will be solid, not hollow like last time. So now I will show you how to use it and a few examples. Alright, once you open the Fusion, go on FX Library and folder where you extracted the files. You will get 9 files, and all you have to do is just drag and drop like this. I included 3 different ones for each shape, so to look you just press number 2 on the keyboard just like this, and if you want to increase or reduce the resolution, you go on the background and change the resolution here. For example 50, and this is it. So now let me show you how it looks for hexagon and octagon. Yeah, this is a hexagon, this is octagon normal, and this is octagon solid. The same thing, only you have to do to change the resolution, go on background and change the resolution here, and that's it. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, give a dislike if you didn't, follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel, comment under the video if we have any questions, and I will see you in another video.